Hi everybody, I just wanted to go over a few things about the discussion posts. First of all, my apologies for getting Module 3 graded a little bit late. I got married over the weekend and that was the one thing that slipped through the cracks, so I'm very sorry about that. But Module 3 and 4 grades are up now and I want you to take a look at those as well as think about Module 5. Couple things. When you're posting, I want you to make sure that you are going through every question and answering everything fully. If you're asked to give an opinion or you're asked to give your advice, that always has to be backed up with some kind of source or some kind of reference. Remember that we're all learners in this course, and when you're a learner, you need to be referencing other things so that instead of just bouncing ideas that we already know off of each other, we're actually teaching each other through this discussion question. So make sure you're answering all the questions and the whys. So why did you think that this would be good for osteoarthritis? Why not? Make sure you are definitely backing up your opinion. Second of all, when it comes to sources, we need those to be in APA format. And I know that you're probably thinking, why? Well, it's the rules. That's just how we have to do it. This is college level work and we need to be citing our sources like college level students. At the beginning of every post, you will see the rules for posting that say you need to have a source or a reference. There's a link if you need help with APA as well as an example. And this is at every week at the beginning of the discussion post, so please refer back to that if you need to. All right. On top of that, if you are posting late, you are subject to the deduction points just like any other assignment that's late. It's 10% per day. And then lastly, do not copy and paste. There are many, many reasons why this is unacceptable. But if you are taking someone else's words and using them as your own, one, that's illegal. We can't do that. There's copyright issues. Two, you're not learning if you're just copying someone else's words. For instance, if I looked at how to fly a plane manual and I took that word, I read those words and I copied it into a Word document, that doesn't mean that I know how to fly the plane. That doesn't mean that I learned anything about it. Taking that information and then putting it into your own words is crucial for all college level work as well as any type of work you'll come across in your own industries. So please take that into account when you are filling out your discussion posts. If you feel like you need to make any addendums to your post or if you missed something and want to add it, reply to your own post. So for instance, if I typed up this is my post for the week and here's what I think. And then I sent it and think, oh, I forgot to put my references. Reply to my own post with those references and that way that I will be able to see them and I'll be able to grade that correctly. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But going forward, just be aware of those things and you will avoid losing any points in the future. All right. I will see you on Friday for your live lectures. Thanks. Bye.